Welcome to Zippo Lion's Den, and here's another cool lighter to show you. Smokin' Joe's Racing. Came with a nice little tin. I ended up getting a whole bunch of Camel stuff from a guy about 40 miles from where I live for a really good price. Smokin' Joe's Racing. If I remember, this one is from 1994, 96. There we go. I believe July out thereof. In really good shape yet. Of the same year, which is June. And it was just something, I was like, oh, I didn't have too many Camel lighters at the time. I figured, why not? Comes with the original paperwork for it from back then. If I can get it out of the tin, quit fighting me here. I like how they printed in all the different languages back then. Please read all instructions carefully because a Zippo is so difficult to use. But, you know, people should, because how many people do you know that don't even know how to put the wicks in them decent? And then they complain, oh, it doesn't work right. Well, do you have it set up right? And there's a video out there on YouTube by Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors that shows a really good example of how you should set up your Zippo. I actually set mine up the same way, so I really don't feel like I should have to make a video to show people when he's got a really good video himself out there. So, and if you haven't checked out his channel, you should. Like I said, it's called ZF 77 Outdoors, Zippo Fanatic 77. He's got a lot of great information of videos and a really nice collection, and he does awesome custom work too. So if you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe. Anything you do will help my small little channel, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.